Okay, hello everybody. Tell you before this time about this science and this technological educational programs what I will give you. By the way, I tell you some informations during this time by using the voice. For the next time, I will tell you them practically how can we do it. So, as I tell you in the previous class, physics, the meaning of physics, and from the physics to in the first chapter, how about measurement? How can we measure things? So, as I tell you, physics is a branch of natural science. Physics ማለት የተፈጥሮ ሳይንስ አንዱ ክፍል ሲሆን which studies about matter, energy and their interaction ስለ ቁስ አካልና ቁስ አካሎች ስለሚያደርጉት አጸገብሮት ወይም ንክኪ ወይም ግንኙነት አጠቃላይ የሚያጠና የሳይንስ ዘርፍ ፊዚክስ ወይም ፊዚካ ይባላል። So from this physics we will deal the first chapter or the first content which is about measurement. Measurement is a way of knowing the quantity of unknown material or unknown thing by using a known international device. So the first what we have seen about, we will categorize the measured quantities by two categories. These are fundamental and derived physical quantities. When we said fundamental physical quantity, a fundamental physical quantity is a quantity which is measured directly by using the device. And a derived physical quantity we said, which is a quantity when we before measuring the fundamental physical quantity, after that we will derive them by using either multiplication or division. So this is the two types of quantities due to measurement. By the way, the fundamental physical quantities, as I told you before this class, there are seven in number. Okay, 7 in number. These are, you can take length, mass, time, current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. We will see each other individually. So today I will give about the first one, which is length. When we say it length, it is a distance between 2 points. A distance between 2 points. That means when we move from one place to another place, we are beginning at the initially at one place and we will reach, we have an area what we stop or what we reach. So the difference between the two places is called, that is length. So length is symbolized by capital L. Do you see? Capital L letter. So length will be measured using a device which is called meter, which is symbolized by M. And the SI unit of length is meter. That is a distance. Do you listen? Do you understand me what I tell you about length? How can we measure about length? How can we express length? How can we determine it? So when you are a student, if you move initially from your home, when you think about moving, we will assume that you are moving to your school. So your initial place is your home, then you will go to your school and reach at that school. The difference between, or the distance between from your home up to the school, that length we call we call a length. Anyhow, when you said about length, just like this, there are, I tell you about the SI unit of length. The SI unit of length is meter. When I said the SI unit of length is meter, it has also non-SI units. These non-SIs are derived. I mean not derived, which is not standardly understood. For example, meter SI unit centimeter, non-SI unit or other units, millimeter, decimeter, kilometer. You can go about mile. These are the ways of measuring length, which is as non-SI units. This is what I wanted to tell you about today's lesson, which is about one of the fundamental physical quantity, which is length. For the next class, we will deal broadly about the other SI unit, which is mass. Do you see mass? Mass, which is represented by M. We can measure a beam balance or a balance. There are different types of balances. We can measure it by it has a SI unit of kilogram. It has also non-SI units. What we deal about broadly them for the next class. For you listening this, thank you. ይህን ካልን ከዚህ በመቀጠል ውድ የዚህ ቻናል ተከታታዮች ይህን እየሰማችሁ ፎሎ ማድረግ፣ ሼር ማድረግ፣ ኮፒ ሊንክ ማድረግ እንዲሁም ይህን ቪዲዮ ከሰማችሁና ከወደዳችሁት ሴንድ በማድረግ ሊተባበሩን ይችላሉ ማለት ነው። ይህን ስላደመጣችሁኝ አመሰግናለሁ። እነሆ 2018 ዓመተ ምህረት ብሩህ ይሆናል። ይህንንም ብሩህነቱን ተከትለን እንሰራለን፣ እናድጋለን፣ እንመነደጋለን። መልካሙ ሁሉ እንዲገጥማችሁ እመኛለችኋለሁ። አመሰግናለሁ። ኢትዮጵያዊ የቲክቶክ አካውንት ነው። ቻው።